Coffee time. So we're going in with Bianco Forte. This is made for milk, so you have to add milk to it or it tastes really strong. So you guys, welcome to today's video and welcome to my channel if you're new. If you are new, my name is Taylor. I post tons of get ready with me, try on hauls, day in the life, weekend vlogs, and fitness updates. Lots of content available here on the channel, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on anything. So today's video is going to be a day in the life, a full day of eating, and I'm gonna give you a little bit of a fitness update. So you guys just saw what I was looking like. I'm 2 weeks into my summer diet right now, and we did make some adjustments since we spoke last, so I kind of wanted to just run through those with you. So right now I'm currently doing 6 times 30 minutes of cardio. I have been trying to get outside here and there for some extra steps and walks. However, the weather here has not been great, so I've been trying to do most of my cardio in the gym, but you guys just saw what I was looking like. So I'm actually feeling really good. I checked in with my coach yesterday and I was feeling a little bit like bloated-ish yesterday. I weighed in yesterday like 139.4. Today was 138.8. So it goes to show that weight does fluctuate a lot. I didn't really sleep well the night before. Last night had a great sleep. Yesterday had a great workout. So obviously if you guys are on a diet or a cut or just trying to make changes, be patient with yourself. Know that the number on the scale is important, but it is not everything, and it doesn't always show the full picture. For me, over the last 2 weeks, I've really started to notice my skin tighten up overall. Clothes is fitting me a little bit looser and different. I'm seeing more definition pop out in my legs and my midsection and my arms as well. So although the number on the scale hasn't moved a whole lot over the last few weeks, I am seeing physical changes and my energy levels are still pretty high. As for my training, everything's been going really good. I actually feel so motivated in the gym right now, which is awesome. And as for nutrition, we did make some adjustments about a week and a half ago to 2 weeks ago. So we've cut back some calories in some areas in some of my meals, which you will see today. And obviously we are in a cut, so food's not gonna stay super high for super long. We're about a month and a little bit away from our Jacked Factory athlete meetup in Toronto, and I booked my flights last night, so I'm so excited for that. The meetup is the day after the pro show. The pro show's on Sunday. Our meetup is on Monday at Pure Muscle and Fitness in Burlington, and my partner and I are heading out to Toronto on Thursday. His brother-in-law is playing in a band. It's called Jane's Party. They're literally amazing. If you guys haven't checked them out already, be sure to check them out. And we're gonna go see them play Thursday night, maybe go to Canada's Wonderland. We have lots of fun stuff planned. So I have a trip planned for Portugal in July, this little mini vacation in June. So we're kind of just cutting and getting prepared for that, obviously for summer as well. So feeling really good about that, and excited to take you guys along with me for that journey. As for today, I slept at my partner's house last night, so woke up, popped into the grocery store. So I'm gonna show you guys now what I got at the grocery store. Just needed to stock up on some little items and figured it would be better to do it first thing in the morning so I didn't have to run around later. I am working from home today because I do have a procedure tomorrow morning, and I'm a little bit nervous for it. I'm getting a sigmoidoscopy. So it's very similar to a colonoscopy, which is like the full real deal, you know. I had some health-ish issues last year. I think I'm totally fine, but they want to do a sigmoidoscopy just to be safe. Plus, it's always good to get little checkups done here and there. So today, although I am doing a full day of eating, some of my meals and things are going to be slightly different than what they typically would be for this week, and I will be sure to update you guys along the way with that. After like 8 p.m. I can't eat. I have to have only clear liquids after a certain time today, and I have to adjust my 4th meal, and I don't get a 5th meal today because I have to stop eating at a certain time. I also have to take a laxative, a powdered laxative, around like 4 or 5 p.m. and I want to just show you and tell you what's going on with me. So That procedure is tomorrow morning at 8:30. I have to wake up at like 7, shower, I can't eat anything. I'm gonna get an IV tomorrow, and I have to basically have that procedure first thing, and then I will be working from home again tomorrow because I will probably be a little bit out of it for a couple of hours and just extremely tired due to whatever sedative they have to give me through the IV for the procedure. So that's kind of what's going on. Otherwise, feeling really good. Happy to be getting this done anyways. You guys, it's so important to talk to your doctor if anything feels weird or off. It's super important to make sure you get your little checkups here and there and take the time that you need to do what you gotta do. So with that said, I'm gonna go grab my agenda. We're gonna plan out what we need to do for today, maybe do a little bit of journaling, and then we're gonna hop on the laptop and get some work done before we get in the shower and get ready for today. So I'm gonna go grab the agenda there now and get this day started.
So I got a little pint of strawberries. This is gonna do me probably a day or two, but I needed to stock up on some fruit. I typically get them at Costco because they're cheaper and you get more, and I eat so much, but I needed them, so had to get those. Got some extra bananas because I do usually go through one or a half of one at least every single day. I got some of this milk. You guys know if you've been around here, this is my favorite to have in my coffee. This actually froths up so much nicer than regular milk, and this one is vanilla but also unsweetened, so it's really low cal and it's a really great alternative for coffee creamer. I have this every single day. And then of course we have our oat milk, so when I run out of this, I'll use this. This also does froth up, not as much. I love cashew milk, but it doesn't froth up like oat milk does, or like this silk almond milk does. So this is typically what I'll have, and I'll use this for shakes and cereal and things too. And then I got 2 packs of English muffins because I have an English muffin every day, and you know, for now it's still in the program, so we need to stock up on it for our breakfast sandwiches in the morning. But that was my mini grocery haul for this morning. I didn't really want to be in there too long, so just grabbed the necessities, and for everything else I'm pretty well stocked up.
Okay, so it's first thing in the morning, so obviously we have our little tumbler full of water. I have some ice in here as well. So we're just gonna have regular old water today. So first I'm gonna put in a scoop of this creatine monohydrate from Jack Factory. I do 1 scoop of this every single day. So I'm gonna toss that on in there, and then we're gonna do a scoop of L-glutamine. This is also from Jack Factory. You guys know if you wanna save on subs and vitamins, you can use code TBT to save at checkout, and the link is down below for you. I have glutamine twice a day, so first thing in the morning and then about 30 minutes before I go to bed, I'll have another scoop. And I find my digestion, bloating, everything has gone down so much since I've incorporated glutamine into my routine, and I've been taking this for probably 2 or 3 years. So this is a staple supplement for me. Gonna stir this on up and then get to writing in the agenda. Okay, so we're planning out what we need to do today. I have this agenda here. As you guys can see, we have like a to-do list on the side, somewhere to write notes, and then we have every single day for the week broken out on the left side. This one is from Chapters or Indigo. I've mentioned it here on the channel before. And it also has like the calendar at the beginning of the month, so you can see kind of like what dates are really important or holidays and stuff. I need somewhere where I can write kind of everything as I go. So typically what I'll do, obviously it's Wednesday and I haven't been using this week. However, what I'll typically do is write everything out in my to-dos that I know I'd like to get done within the next week or so. And then I'll kind of start to disperse them into each day to basically make sure that they make sense, and then obviously move them from there. So I'm gonna go ahead, do that, finish my coffee, and then we are going to check our email. Okay, so just got out of the shower. I am gonna be training and doing cardio, so I'm probably gonna shower again, but I wanted to like wash my hair, felt like I needed to wake up a little bit, so hopped in the shower. I booked the Toronto Pro Show, and I'm just chatting with some other JF members in the chat now to see who's going and who wants to kind of like link up and stuff. So very, very excited about that. I got some work done for my other job this morning. We have our first playoff games at home this week, so had to do some stuff for them, and then just waiting for all of my client check-ins to roll in now. So what I'll probably do is do like a light makeup look and my skincare routine and whatnot, and then make my pre-workout meal. So I'm trying to work out earlier in the day today just because I have to stop eating like earlier in the day, and I want to make sure I have the energy, and with working from home I kind of have that flexibility today, which is awesome. I do have some errands to run as well. well when we're out and about at the gym, so I'll get all that done at the one time. So I'm gonna go ahead, do my makeup, get ready for the day. We'll probably pick out a gym fit as well, and then get myself ready to go work out and get it done. Okay, so makeup is complete. My hair is still a little bit wet, so I'm gonna put some product in it now. Probably just braid it for today. I've been trying to let it grow a little bit, so I've been just kind of like tossing it in a braid and letting my natural waves take over for the rest of it. I'm gonna do a little bit of editing while my hair dries and eat my pre-workout meal. Then we're gonna head to the gym. I wanna get a head start on the editing right now. I was gonna wait till I got back, but I figured I would get a bit of work done for the first half of this vlog, day in the life video. So gonna edit a little and then eat. It's around 10:30, 11-ish, so I am definitely feeling the hunger. But again, I have like a short window to eat, so I'm kind of trying to like cram it all in between like say 11 to 5, 6 p.m. and then that's it. So yeah, that is the plan right now.
So for meal number 1, we have 40 grams of Rice Krispie cereal. We have 100 grams of banana, 10 grams of nut butter. I use the Adams dark roast creamy nut butter. Then we have 1 1/4 scoops of this authentic ISO from Jack Factory and the vanilla oatmeal cookie flavor. This is probably my favorite protein powder for shakes, for cereal, and for oats. So that is linked down below for you. It's from Jack Factory, obviously, so you guys know you can save with TBT. But this is my favorite pre-workout meal, and that's what I'm gonna have now before I head to the gym. Okay, so today's workout is just a back day, so not wearing anything fancy to the gym. I'm in the mood for comfort. So I just have this like little tiny top. I think it's from Shein. These sweatpants are from Walmart and they're probably 9 years old, but I have like 3 pairs of them and I'm obsessed with them. They're just super cozy and comfortable, and I'm probably just gonna toss on an oversized gray crew neck to go with this while I'm warming up, and then we'll take off the crew neck and just train in this fit. But it's just super simple. Again, wasn't really in the mood to go crazy with anything today, so I'm gonna get the crew neck, head on to the gym and get this back day done. Then we're probably gonna run a couple of errands. I have to go to Shoppers and pick up my powdered drink, which is my laxative basically for tomorrow's procedure, because I have to take that this afternoon. I will check back with you guys after the workout for meal number 2. Okay, so the post-workout meal is 140 grams of extra lean ground beef with some taco seasoning, 160 grams of white jasmine rice cooked, and then we have some green peas on top here. Pretty basic, but this is my staple. I actually love this meal. It's very plain and I don't know, just digests really well for me. So I'm gonna eat this and then I'll give you guys an update on the rest of the day. So vitamin time, we've got 2 fish oils, vitamin D, vitamin C, we have Tonga Ali here, magnesium, and vitamin B12. So gonna take these. Okay, me here eating on the floor like a weirdo. I forgot to film in between meals. I just ended up getting caught up in work, which is good because I got a lot done. But I'm gonna eat now and then finish off that YouTube video I was editing earlier, do my client check-ins. I have some programs I have to build for some clients that are just starting back up again. So it's gonna take probably an hour or 2, and once I'm finished this meal, I do have to take my first packet of the powder drink I have to drink. I have to drink 1 now once I'm finished eating, and then another 1 in a couple of hours before bed. And that's supposed to like clean out your system, if you know what I mean. I know it's too much information, but it is what it is. So my meal 4 in between those is gonna be a little bit different than what I would normally have, and I'm not gonna have a meal 5 today. My workout was really great. I did a full back day. I was in and out in 45 minutes, which was great because the gym was not busy at all. And then I ended up going to my boyfriend's house and doing cardio there. He has a Concept 2 bike that I've typically been using and I love it. So I just kind of wanted to do that and be consistent, and just a little change of scenery after spending about an hour in the gym. So went there, did my cardio, which was awesome, and then came home and ate. So I'm gonna go ahead, eat my meal number 1, which is actually like a breakfast meal now, and probably just do some laundry. We have some meal prep going here. So this is extra lean ground beef, and then we have our jasmine rice. Mmm, delicious. It's low-key really good. Oh my god, it tastes like orange candy, orange juice. I was expecting it to be bad. I was totally just joking when I filmed that, like, delicious. It was pure sarcasm.
but it actually is really good. Don't knock it till you try it. Hopefully this doesn't absolutely destroy me right now, but I'm gonna drink this and then finish off check-ins. So we have a slight change in plans. I was supposed to eat 85 grams of protein and 100 grams of potato and some veggies for meal 4, and that was gonna be my last meal of the day. However, I haven't used the washroom yet since drinking my powder, and I'm feeling a little bit full and bloated right now, and I do still need to drink another package and hopefully use the washroom before I go to bed. And I think that if I eat anything else that's like heavier, it's not gonna go the way I wanted to. So I actually am just going to take out meal number 4 for tonight and then do some chicken broth and lots of liquids before bed. But what my meals would have been like if today wasn't a weird day would have been 140 grams of extra lean ground beef, turkey, chicken thighs, or chicken with some oil on it, and 100 grams of potato and veggies. And then we would have had a protein shake before bed. So that's what a day in the life eating is for me right now. It's just today is a little bit weird due to the procedure tomorrow. So I just mixed up 2 packs of chicken broth with some boiling water, and it's gonna be basically soup with nothing in it. And that's gonna be my last like meal of the day. And then again, just lots of liquids for the rest of the night. But I'm just finishing up editing YouTube now, gonna post that video shortly, and then I think gonna sit back, relax, and just watch some TV. So that is pretty much it for today and for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know it was kind of a random day in the life, but happy to be back here vlogging for you guys. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and we will see you in a couple of days for another video.